Hello? Hello? Hello?
You don't have much time. The grabber hasn't been sleeping. He thinks this might be it, that he's gonna figure it out.
Who's gonna figure it out?
His brother upstairs.
Are you Griffen?
Who?
Griffen's dad.
Probably. It's all a little hazy, but I imagine you know all our names.
Every kid does. I didn't know you.
Nobody did. You spent so many years invisible, and then every kid in the state knows your name. You don't have much time.
Why hasn't he killed me?
You won't play the game. You have to play the game. If you don't play, he can't win.
What game?
Naughty Boy. If you don't play Naughty Boy, the grabber can't beat you. And if he can't beat you, he can't move on to the next part. And the next part of Naughty Boy was his favorite part.
What's the next part?
You don't have much time.
You said that.
He's not been sleeping.
You said that too.
Yeah, well, he is now, in his chair. He passed out, waiting for you to play.
What good does that do me? Wait. The door's still unlocked.
The door is still unlocked.
Do I just go?
There's a combination lock on the inside of the storm door. It was my bike lock.
Your bike lock.
Yeah, he took it when he took me.
What's the combination?
I don't remember.
Griffen.
I remember being afraid I'd forget it. That's why I wrote it down.
What? Where?
I carved it with a bottle cap in the wall.
Which wall? Which wall?
The one on your right. About shoulder height when you're sitting down.
Two, three, three, 1, 7. 2, 3, 3, 1, 7. 2, 3, 3, 1, 7. 2, 3, 3, 1, 7.
If you say so.
What is it? 23, 31, 7, or 23, 3, 17, or 2, 33, 17?
I can't remember.
Griffen!
I can't remember. You'll have to try them all. And you'll have to be very quiet about it.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.